I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at my Epson Hot Press Bright Professional Matte Photo Paper. So this is a photo paper that you can use if you're a professional artist or you just want to create a really amazing print. It's from the signature-worthy series of professional papers from Epson, and this is something that's archivally stable enough, good enough that you could print a photo on this for an exhibition to deliver to a client. It is 100% cotton fiber paper. It's acid-free, and it has a really dramatic and beautiful range of colors you can reproduce with the Hot Press Bright paper here. And the paper itself is, the hot press refers to the fact that it's almost been ironed. It's very smooth, doesn't have any of the kind of wrinkled texture or anything you would get with a cold press. So it's if you like that texture in the image, you're not going to get as much of that here. But if you want that very smooth surface, totally matte surface, then this is a great paper. So that's the hot press element of it. And the bright refers to the fact that this has optical brighteners added to the paper. And some people like that, some people don't. This is great, though, if you want to have a print that has a very vibrant white in the negative space in the image. So here's an actual print that I took. This is printed on the Hot Press Bright paper. And you can see, even though this is a night scene, in the highlights we get some really brilliant, bright whites and these really bright, vibrant colors in the areas that are illuminated in the image. You can almost feel like the light is coming out of the page. Yet because it's a matte paper, when we look at some of the darker areas of the image, we get these really inky, really dramatic, contrasty blacks there. So that's a nice thing with this, is that you get a very vibrant reproduction of colors with those whiteners, especially in the brights, and you still do preserve the matte element to the blacks. Again, it's totally a personal preference. Some people don't like the bright whites, but for this kind of image where there's a lot of brilliant light in it, this is a great paper choice. It's also a great choice if you want to do matte portraits, because those brighteners really do help to bring out facial features, and especially the matte paper is beautiful for black and white or monochrome images. Some other nice things with this: it's a really thick, beautiful texture on the paper here. It's very smooth, but you can see that it's got that really high quality feel to it with that 100% cotton paper. So this is definitely something you could feel very confident presenting to a client or hanging in a gallery. And really great paper. I use this with my Epson SureColor printer, and you can see you can get these really brilliant matte prints.